1 Minute Irish Lesson 4.
It's time for 1 Minute Irish and I'm your host, Owen. In this course, I'm going to be teaching you just enough Irish to get by on a holiday or a business trip to Ireland, or just to impress your Irish-speaking friends and colleagues. You've already learned some greetings and useful words and phrases. Last lesson you learned how to say you speak a little Irish. We're going to add to this today. Now, I think I hear the clock ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. You already know how to say, I speak a little Irish. Can you remember this phrase? It's Tá cupla focal gaeilge agam. Excellent. Now today we're going to add a couple of other useful phrases for dealing with the language. In Irish, I don't understand is thuigim. Let's listen to that again. I'll say it more slowly. Thuigim. Repeat after me. Thuigim. Imagine someone said something to you in Irish and you had no idea what they said. What would you say? That's right, you'd say thuigim. You can go one step further and say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Let's learn the phrase for I'm sorry. It's Tá brón. I'll say that again slowly. Tá brón. One more time. Tá brón. Now, let's add that to I don't understand. Tá brón thuigim. That's quite a mouthful. Let's try it again. Tá brón thuigim. Just try it one more time. Tá brón thuigim. Excellent, well done. Time's up. Even if you're trying to make that good impression with your Irish-speaking friends or colleagues, don't worry about not understanding what they say. They'll be very impressed and appreciative if you can say that you don't understand in their language. As ever, don't forget you can visit our website on www.oneminute.languages.com and find out more about how you can benefit from this show. In the meantime, thanks again. Slán go fóill agus gurb maith agat.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.